doing a great job here in the powerhouse Bronco.
Both these machines moving at a rapid pace early on. Whoa! That solves one of the half-dozen hazards inside the Battlebots. Goes right over.
What a hit from Bronco!
That was like filet mignon. Trying to get that new extended flipper in position to go under Tombstone's blade. Smart spot. Bronco
Up on Bronco.
Bronco's coming apart. And then there's a big car of Bronco. And then a big... There's one left. Go into the rail. He's going in for the kill here.
Check it out.
There's one flip. The pulverizer just missed Grove Fly.
This is the Bronco we know so well, Chris.
Out of the arena.
He's gonna take it out. Oh my goodness.
Razorback on the attack again. And
There's that guy.
right in the kisser. And that drum spinner's got nothing to grab onto. Oh, huge hit from Bronco. And now what is this?
And Chris, straight out of the blocks, we see Bronco driving nose first. This is different. We're back to this driving technique.
Little flip for Bronco.
Big shot.
Oh, Bronco not quite getting the lift we know and love.
Seems like
Oh, there's the big flip. Oh, down to the battle box, and here goes Bronco. Look at the chariot. Oh, can Lockjaw get off the screws? He can. Whoa, there's another huge piece coming off the line.
oh, this is
It's cut. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Are you? Oh, holy Bronco Batman. That thing went 1,000 feet in the air, and he's got more for it. Oh, trying to get him out of the arena. Uh-oh, Bronco caught on its side, trying to get free. Oh, he had him, and he flipped him. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He does. Now the question is, can Warhawk? It does use the screws. Great shot by Rob Farrell, who ends up on the screw. Are you kidding me?
oh, he's going after the little one box. Game plan from Jonathan Schultz.
Oh, and here comes Bronco.
Is that over flying? How about that?
We're good.
And another hole. Nice solid shot. Back and forth brawl so far. Bronco takes a serious shot. Let the bot battle begin. And there's a quick flip.
Yeah, that's right, Chris. Bronco underneath the
Hammers.
And now Gary Jin has his flame going, Chris. He can do some damage. Nice flip by Bronco.
Bronco right in front of our broadcast booth, baby.
Yeah, thanks for that, Gary.
Whoa!
What a strike there by Bronco.
Now free shipping gets it again. How many flips was that? 1, 2, 3 side flips.
Well, what's Bronco? You better watch out. Oh!
Oh! Bronco almost got free shipping out of the arena.
Side of free shipping.
And it looks like free shipping.
Oh!
That's it on the top.
That could
and
be
it
it.
gets almost out of the arena.